morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to Bruce's channel. Today I'm facing another annoying problem, which is the nomad sculpt. I want to import the picture, the background from here, and I'm facing the problem, which I collect the photos and I select the photo. I add it come out the error of metadata plist. I'm not sure how to read that. So after a while, I found a way to solve it. Number one, because I used the iPad to take the picture straight away to use as a background to create a 3D model. So and then I go to set the camera setting. I realized that the format is by default high efficiency. I made because of that converts to something like HEIF, the Apple format. I just changed to the most compatible format. But unfortunately, in the case for this case is I already take the picture. The item is not with me. So what I do is, in case you want to do the same thing as well, I just go to the photo and then I do the screenshot, which is volume down and power together. They take the screenshot and save it back to photos. So the screenshot actually works. So that's how I get these two image, which I cannot get it when I use iPad straight away shot it, but I can get it when I screenshot it. Okay, I hope this problem solve. I hope this video solve your problem. Give me a thumb up if you do. Let me know. I will be happy. Thank you and see you next video. Hopefully solve another small problem in the world. Bye.